Alrighty, so I've recently been introduced to Blood Raining Night by Reichiro uh, Reichiro Katsue Kineko Oni. How'd she even come up with that? Anyway, I've recently been introduced to Blood Raining Night by my friend, my dear friend, and I am recording a live reading of this because, well, I guess live isn't quite the right word, but you know, like first time reading it, because I've watched the animation of it, and from what I've read, there's actually like a lot more that's even more gold to be found in the fiction itself. So, that in mind, here goes all sense of sanity I have. Oh, I should read the summary first.